For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Getting car insurance as a young driver can be expensive due to limited driving history and statistically higher risk. However, advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, have made it easier to find affordable insurance options by helping young drivers get better rates through smarter data analysis, personalized quotes, and risk assessments. This guide explains step-by-step how young drivers can leverage AI to secure cheap car insurance. Step 1. Understand why insurance is expensive for young drivers. Insurance companies view young drivers, usually under 25, as high risk. Lack of driving experience increases the probability of accidents. Statistically, young drivers have higher claims rates. This results in higher premiums compared to older, experienced drivers. Knowing why prices are high helps you focus on ways AI can help mitigate those costs by improving risk evaluation and customizing policies. Step 2. Use AI-powered insurance comparison tools. AI-based comparison websites and apps collect data from multiple insurers. These platforms use machine learning to analyze your profile and driving habits. They automatically match you with insurers offering the best deals for your risk level. Example platforms: the Zebra, Compared.com, Gabby. How to use. Input your basic information: age, location, vehicle type. Upload any driving records or licenses if requested. The AI analyzes thousands of policies in seconds and gives you personalized quotes. You can filter results based on price, coverage, and insurer ratings. Benefit: AI reduces the time and effort needed to find the cheapest policy. You get better pricing by accessing a wider market. Step 3. Take advantage of AI-based usage-based insurance, UBI. UBI policies track your driving behavior using telematics devices or smartphone apps. AI analyzes your driving patterns, speed, braking, mileage, time of day. Safe driving is rewarded with lower premiums. How to benefit. Sign up for UBI programs offered by insurers like Progressive Snapshot, Allstate's DriveWise. Install the telematics device or app. Maintain safe driving habits. Avoid speeding, harsh braking, and night driving if possible. AI continuously monitors your driving and adjusts your premium accordingly. Benefits. Pay-as-you-drive models help young drivers save money. AI provides real-time feedback to help improve your driving. Step 4. Use AI chatbots for personalized insurance advice. Many insurance companies have AI chatbots on their websites. Chatbots can answer your insurance questions instantly. They can suggest specific discounts or coverage options tailored to your profile. How to use. Visit insurer websites or apps with chatbot support. Ask about discounts for young drivers or specific situations: good student discount, defensive driving courses. The AI bot may recommend cheaper plans or bundling options. Benefits. Quick access to personalized advice without waiting for human agents. Discover discounts or coverage adjustments you might miss otherwise. Step 5. Improve your driving profile with AI-based driver coaching apps. Some apps use AI to analyze your driving style and coach you to become safer. Apps like TrueMotion, Nexar provide driving scores based on AI analysis. Sharing your good driving score with insurers can lower your premiums. How to proceed. Download a driver coaching app. Use it while driving to get feedback on acceleration, braking, and focus. Improve your driving habits based on AI suggestions. Share your improved driving score with insurance companies or use it to negotiate better rates. Benefit. Demonstrates lower risk to insurers, leading to cheaper premiums. Helps develop safer driving skills, reducing accident risk. Step 6. Leverage AI for accurate risk assessment and customized policies. AI enables insurers to go beyond age and gender to evaluate risk. They analyze detailed data points like location, vehicle type, driving habits, credit score, and even social media behavior. This precision allows insurers to offer customized premiums. How to leverage this. Provide accurate and complete information on your insurance application. Opt into programs that allow AI to access telematics or behavioral data. Be transparent, to get an accurate risk profile. Some insurers will automatically reduce premiums if your data shows you are low risk despite your age. Benefit: personalized pricing can lead to lower premiums than flat rates based on demographics alone. Step 7. Explore AI-driven bundling and discount opportunities. AI can identify opportunities to bundle car insurance with other policies, renters, health, phone insurance. Bundling often leads to discounts. How to use AI for bundling. Use AI tools that analyze your existing policies. Ask chatbots or AI advisors about possible bundles. Combine multiple policies with one insurer to save money. Benefit: bundled policies reduce your overall insurance costs. AI helps identify the best bundling combos. Step 8. Use AI to monitor and adjust your policy over time. Insurance needs and risk profiles change. AI-driven apps and platforms can monitor your policy and driving continuously. They alert you when better deals become available or when you qualify for new discounts. How to benefit: use AI-based insurance apps that track your policy and market. Receive notifications to renew, switch, or adjust your coverage. Take advantage of AI's ongoing monitoring to keep premiums low. Step 9. Consider AI-enhanced pay-per-mile or on-demand insurance. Some insurers use AI to offer pay-per-mile or on-demand insurance. Ideal if you drive less frequently. You only pay for the miles you drive. How to apply: sign up for pay-per-mile insurance with an AI platform. Use the app or device to log miles driven. Benefit from significantly lower premiums if you're a low-mileage driver. Step 10. Keep your digital footprint and social data clean. Some insurers may use AI to analyze social media and online data. Risky or irresponsible online behavior could affect rates. Maintain a responsible digital presence. Tips: avoid posting about reckless driving or risky behavior. Limit public access to your social media accounts. Some insurers offer AI tools that scan your online presence to help you understand how it might affect insurance. Bonus tips for young drivers using AI to get cheap insurance. Take a defensive driving course, often recognized by AI and insurers as a risk reducer. Maintain good grades if you're a student, good student discounts. Choose a car with a high safety rating and low theft risk. AI algorithms factor this into pricing. Pay your premiums annually instead of monthly to save money. Opt for higher deductibles if you can afford it to reduce premiums. Summary: by using AI-powered tools and platforms, young drivers can find and compare the best insurance quotes quickly, get personalized pricing based on actual driving behavior, improve driving habits with AI coaching apps, take advantage of discounts, bundles, and telematics programs. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.